Hello, let's check the sound. Yeah, sound is working. Okay, so yeah, I hope you can hear me. Yeah, okay, everything is fine, I think. Yeah, everything is fine. Okay, yeah, hi everyone. So today there was a very nice day. For trading opportunities, and so let's discuss everything, how it all happened and why it happened and how we analyzed everything and how were all the positions taken and what we are expecting next. Okay, so yes, as you all know, we just trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and our indicators are there, which gives us way ahead signal in both the indexes, and according to it, we decide what positions to take. Okay, so today is 11th of October, and let's discuss what happened during the day. And first, let's start from yesterday. Okay, so yesterday, if you go and check the video that I made for the end of the day data analysis, I clearly showed you that the options that were being bought, they were being done at 17,100 and 17,200, 17,100 and 17,000 in the monthly option chain. Okay, so yeah, so if you go to the monthly option chain, 27th October, so here you will see that, yeah, so so if you went there and saw yesterday's OI change, it was all positive, and the total OI change at 17,100 and 17,000 particularly matched the OI change in the EOD data of the FIIs. Okay, and also in the during the intraday I was tracking those positions, and yes, so there what the FIIs were doing was they had previously, like, they had put buying positions there and they were averaging out. Okay, now the thing is that, so I particularly told you, I did not tell you like 16,800, 16,500 put buying. I particularly told you just two strike price, 17 or three strike price, 17,200, 17,100 and 17,000. Okay, and you saw that exactly market went till 17,000 today. So this is nothing magic. If you go and check the last put buying, put buying that was being done in Nifty. So mostly these put buyings are being done in Nifty. So if you go and check on Thursday, okay, so the Thursday also there was some put buying at the end of the day data analysis. I did not make any video that day, but I posted it on Twitter. Okay, so those who follow on Twitter knows that the end of the day data analysis. So there also I mentioned two strike prices. Okay, and exactly, it went on Friday, market went till there. Okay, and yes, so now let's discuss that. So I'm not lying anything, you can just go and check yesterday's video. Okay, so yes, now the thing is that why the move is going to come today. Okay, so the move was going to come yesterday, but already I told you on Sunday's video, that is just like how we also miss out some opportunities, they are also human beings, they will also see that if market went down without making any nice or huge positions in the options, just some put buying, so that won't be very satisfying for the FIIs. Okay, so they would surely want to take the market up. This was discussed in Sunday's video. Okay, they would want to take the market up and then take the call short, huge short positions, and then take it down, and exactly that happened on Monday. And on Monday we discussed that yes, the fall is soon going to come. So yes, even if it did not come today, so it could have been like zigzag. Okay, not much up move. I just already told that at max, even if it goes up, then Nifty would go to 17,389, not above that. So even if you followed that, you could have shorted at 17,400 in the morning itself, when I mean Nifty was at the top. Okay, so so almost at the top, not so let's go to the 15-minute candle. So yeah, so yeah, you could have like shorted there, and you see market went at the beginning also the premium was not I mean the premium was good at 17,400 if you go and see. So yes, that's it, and market went up, but it went till 17,279. Okay, now why the move came today? So let me tell you, just go and sorry, I made a mistake. Yeah, it was at Nifty was at its day high. I was just checking some other day, so sorry for that. Yes, so I mean it was at its day's top, and then after that it fell. So I mean there was a very nice opportunity if you followed yesterday's video. Okay, so the thing is that I mean Nifty since this buying positions were done in Nifty, put buying positions, so Nifty was falling more than Bank Nifty. If you saw Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty just fell at the very last hour, but initially you see that Bank Nifty was totally in a range bound thing, so going up and down. So yes, and so that's why I mean Nifty was also not smoothly going down, it was going up and down there. So yeah, hi Sagar and hi Bitbull. Yeah, so exactly. So this is not something this is not something I tell after the market. Before the market, you just go and check yesterday's video. What I exactly told you. Go on Sunday's video. This is what I exactly told, that they are going to take it up and then make short positions, then going to come down. Now, why did the move came today? Because if you go and check yesterday's put buying quantity, so it's almost like they have reached their upper limits of the put buying. So if you have kept on tracking the FII's total put buying quantity, so you'll see that this is one of the highest. Okay, it went goes so this I mean 6 lakhs something. Okay, so this goes up to 7 lakhs sometimes. Okay, 8 lakhs very rarely, but almost it goes up to 7 lakhs. So reversal was very near, because they have already done much averaging about the of their positions when yesterday it was going up. So the put buying started from Thursday. Okay, then Thursday, then Friday, and then again on Monday. Okay, so that's why they have like averaged it out, and I mean they were done with their averaging, and so the move came today. So the first thing, as I always tell, that check the first positions that are getting formed, the morning positions. So starting of the morning when 9:18 data came, the first data comes at the white data especially comes at 9:18, and then I saw that call shots are being done, and I was very sure that this is going to go down, and I just took put buying. Okay, and when the indicators also indicated, like here the I mean Bank Nifty, you see that it 21, and then it went to -8 and -25. So you see that one thing you have to understand, you see that first of all score came 14, 16, whatever the score comes, only if it is matching with the FII's data of yesterday, end of the day data, or overall analysis, then go for it. Otherwise wait for your turn. Okay, wait, and then you see Bank Nifty started falling. So -8, -25, and then it went to -47 at 9:39. Okay, and so then as you can see, let's go to Bank Nifty. So here 9:39, and from 9:45 you see the fall there. But again you would say that it went up here, so from 10 a.m. it went up, right? So now let's go to Bank Nifty score. You see before 10 a.m. just look at the score. Here the score fell down, but now just before 10 a.m. score, you see from -50, -46, -41, -27. Okay, so 10 a.m. it started somewhat increasing. Okay, so but the scores were in negative zone, and there was weakness that was very clearly shown by the score. Okay, so then what happened was it went up, and but again it went up, and then again it had to come down. Okay, So and then this push was again clearly visible from the scores, as you can see. Let me show you that. So this up move was very clearly visible from the score, but the up move was done, we knew here. So the score went up to 78 here, and then you see from 63, 75, 78. So even when it jumped from here, there's 62 to 71 or 78, you can very well see there was a very nice up move, okay, even after that. But I clearly told my member, don't go for it, because this is not volume supported. You see it's going up, but the volume is constantly going down, okay. So for going down, it may not be volume supported, like if there is no so you have to understand the concept of volume. So if there is no demand, so then also the price can go down. But if it is going to go up, then there has to be volume supported. Without volume support, if it's going up, then it's a fake move, okay. So here it was not volume supported, as well as it was not according to our analysis. I particularly told not to go. And here after this, you see that from 78, 67s and 71, and you see again it came down to 60s and then 50s, and that was a very, very clear signal that again it's losing its strength, and finally it came down. You just note down the time there, okay. So after that again Bank Nifty came down. So from 12:15 onwards it started falling. So we got to know that that was the upper limit here at 12:01, okay. So this is the Bank Nifty, yeah. So this is the one, 12:01 to whatever. So this was the upper limit here. So we got to know that, because after that the score went up and then started losing its strength, not further going up. So yes, so now during this up move, we just particularly told that take this advantage of this up move and short. I took some heavy risk and shorted 17,100, because I knew that 17,100 and the majority of the buying positions, even I showed you yesterday, were at 17,000. Even I could have gone to 17,000 and did in the money call shorts, but it was of too much risk. So that's why I just I took risk, but that, not the extreme one. So yes, 17,100. So that I knew that even if it doesn't go to 17,000 today itself, then also at least it's at 17,000. So Nifty is at 17,200, at around 17,200. So it will come down at least 100 points. Okay, that is expected. So that's why I went to 17,100 and did call shorts. And I clearly showed my position on Twitter. I gave you all the updates about the call shorts. If you read everything, so everything after the very first analysis was almost everything was shared with on Twitter. So if you want such updates, market updates, you can follow me on Twitter. And yes, but the views are basically first shared with the members and then on Twitter. So yes, so that's the thing. So you can just go and check. It's a waste of time if I just show you them again. And then what happened? Yes, even if I showed you one thing, just go and check one of the tweets. I clearly showed you that when Nifty was at around 17,200, then the 17,100, at least we expect that the put side will have a larger, more OI compared to the call side, right? Because the call side is in the money, and the 17,100 put side was at out of the money, right? So we expect that OI change will be more on the out of the money, because there will be people who are going for put shorts. But both the sides, it was the same OI, almost 12 to 13 lakhs, okay? And that was a very clear signal that no further positions are getting formed there. And not only that, I also mentioned in one of the tweets, just go and check that I clearly showed you that the positions were getting exchanged. Okay, so there are big Twitter profiles who are giving these calls particularly to do put shorts, and they said that 17,100 was the support for today. Okay, and then market would reverse from here. So they advised to short 17,100 and below, and that was the thing. From the morning I was saying that all these up moves on Twitter, just check, All these up moves are coming because of the put shorts, because yesterday's end of the data, only one data was bullish, that was the put shorts of the FIIs and the prop decks. So they were just trying to save their positions. I was clearly telling you from the morning. And some big Twitter profile who are associated with these brokers, they just gave this call that do put shorts, okay? And what was happening? Retail traders are coming, small players are coming to do put shorts there. OI is not changing, but volume is changing. I clearly showed that to you with live market, live analysis, okay? So that's the point where I mean exactly got to know that no one can help today to go. I mean Nifty has to go down. So I was sure that at least 17,100 would be coming today. Okay. Then when at 17,100 when it came, then call side huge shorts started building up. Okay, and then it finally also went down to 17,100. So the whole move which I was expecting till 17,100, it came today, because till 17,000 only I checked that they were having put buying, so I closed all my positions. Yes, sometimes I closed a little earlier, but if I would have closed I mean 10 minutes later, then I would have got 5,000 extra, but yeah, it's fine. Always I exit early and I don't regret, because anything can happen. Okay, so I mean profit is profit, and that's it. So I clearly showed you that I made 75k, and you see that the total capital in my account is 3 lakhs, but I haven't totally used it. But if you just take the ROI on the total 3 lakhs, so it's basically 25%. Okay, so even all these updates that I gave to my member, I have just posted it on Twitter. Just go and read them. Okay, you'll understand that this thing, that is the membership, is not all about tips and buy kar lo and sell kar lo. So it's not all about tips. Okay, it's about proper analysis, how you can track the FIIs, how you can I mean go, and when you need to do option buying, when you need to do selling, everything. Okay, and what levels are important, why, where, why this is happening, everything we discuss. Okay, so that one can exactly learn, and in 1 year they will surely be able to develop some, or a strong knowledge of the market, like what can happen. So yes, that was the whole update about today. And also for Nifty also, if these datas are all updated in the drive every day. You can just, they are publicly available, you can just go and check according to the data. Let me show you one magic today. Okay, so if you think that I have manipulated the data, you can think that, but you see that I have almost 50 members, so I cannot lie openly in public forum. So my members will be disappointed if I lie on the public forum. So here, this down move was coming, and suddenly you see that this green candle. Okay, so everyone thought that yes, this was the reversal here. Okay, so let me show you that this thing was also let's note down the time, 12:45 it reversed. Okay, from there, so 12:45, you see that 12:45 here. So 12:42, -42. So you see that the score was decreasing until -42. It decreased, clear sign of coming down. Okay, but suddenly you see 12:43, -10. Still then also 12:43 market was going down. Okay, even I also wondered why suddenly -10. Okay, so I was thinking that should I exit my call shorts at 17,100, because it reached almost till 17,107 as I remember. Yes, 17,107. So I was also thinking that should I exit my call shorts. Okay, so I just waited for the next signal. So then I saw that for -10 and then again -17, -18 it's coming. So it will go up and then again come down. So just exactly that happened. So it went up and then again it came down. So it was a very, I mean, even I get shocked from my indicators. So it's nothing like people who are joining new, they also like see the magic and they get also shocked. So yes, so why this came, because the push was coming from the cash segment. Okay, so a huge push came, so for that reason. But again, in futures and options, the selling pressure came and score again fell down. Okay, so today futures was at a discount, so you knew that in futures also short positions were going on, and option chain, clearly it was visible that short positions were going on, and no further put side positions were getting built up. Okay, so that was the whole analysis for today. I hope you have enjoyed, and I also clearly gave for my Twitter followers many live updates, and also showed my positions of the call shots when Nifty was at around 17,200. Then I showed them. Okay, so yes, I think ek to like banta hai, so please do like the video if you haven't liked it. So, and also for market updates, you can follow me on Twitter. So now let's discuss the very important thing, that what's going to happen next according to the end of the day data. Yeah, hi Vinay, and hi everyone. So the most important thing is the end of the day data. So every day I show you that. I mean, many people get confused, but out of all the possible combinations, I show you the correct direction. Okay, so that is very important. So first, again, let's come to today's end of the day data. So let's see where are the major changes. So you see, put futures long has been closed, and also the same, almost the same amount, a little more, has been added in the futures short position. So futures long, the amount which has been closed got added up in the futures short positions. Okay, now let's so if you take the average of all these future short positions, so it's at around 17,500 to 17,400. Okay, so that's why I told yesterday that even if it goes up, it's at 17,400, not more than that. So more particularly, I told 17,389. So yes, so that's the thing. And now let's come here, option chain index. If you see that here we have this thing, that is put shorts positions have not majorly been closed, only a few put short positions have been closed. So what we can interpret from here? So I'm coming to that. But again, if you see the put long positions, then you can see that just a little bit increased. Okay, so you can say that it's almost the same. So they haven't closed the put long positions. So since they haven't closed the put long positions, which are, even if you go and check at 17 monthly option chain 17,000. So 17,000 here, you see, some of them have closed it, but here the amount which has been closed, here you will see that 17,100, there has been addition of these positions. Okay, so 17,100, and so almost you can say that the positions are not closed. Okay, and the positions are still intact. So since they are put buying positions there, and be careful, they are in the monthly option chain. So even if a little bit up move jerk comes, so ultimately if it goes down, they will be profitable. So we have to worry about why they haven't closed majority of the put short positions. Okay, though the fall was huge, but they haven't closed majority of the put short positions. So first of all, tomorrow we have to note down whether they are further closing their put short positions, and what about these put long positions also. Okay, so these are almost the same. So put long positions are almost the same. So no closing, no addition. So be careful. Like if they are, so then it can go down. And if Nifty goes down, then the next level is at 16,000. Let me go to 821. So yes, 16,821. Okay, and yeah, and 17,000 would act as resistance, and the further resistance would be at 17,228. Okay, and for Bank Nifty also, let's discuss the levels. I'm going back to the end of the day data analysis again. So for Bank Nifty, you can see 39,347. It almost touched there, and yesterday and reverse, and today also it's reversing. Then notice that if it goes till 38,300, after that you have to notice whether it's bouncing back from here or not. If that also breaks, then 37,908, and then if that also breaks, 37,400. Okay, so these are the next important levels. Now let's go back to the end of the data analysis. Okay, so yes, and let's look at the call short position. So the call shorts positions are giving us some hope that yes, upside is very much limited. Because why? You see that huge call shorts have been done, and the call buying that you see is basically due to hedging. Okay, so huge call shorts has been done. So if you want to safely trade, you can just go and according to your risk appetite, you can just sell calls, and only tomorrow and Thursday is left for the expiry. So I think since at 17,000, let's go to the option chain. So 17,200, this is the, let's go to current expiry. 17,200. So you see the premium is 36 rupees, then 47, then at 100 it's 58.85. So if there is a bounce back, then these premiums might increase tomorrow, and you can take the advantage to make call shorts. So huge call shorts have been done here. So the OI change that you see, so huge call shorts have been done. But again, stop loss hunting can be done, and the retail traders can be made thrown out, and then again the down move can come. But the thing is that the put buying quantities are there, and huge call shorts are also there. So for the huge call shorts, we can say that upside will be limited, and if there is an up move, we can sell on rise. Okay, so that we can surely say. And about the put short positions and put long positions, we have to clearly see which one is closing. So for the put long positions, as I told you, just go and check in the monthly option chain, is it closing there? Okay, and for the put short positions, it's in the current expiry. Okay, so just go and check tomorrow morning whether they are closing there. So whichever is closing, you'll get to know what's going to happen next according to it. Okay, so that's the update. So what you have to check all these, but so the thing is that our indicators tracks everything of all these things, and it generates the score. So that's why the score, you just don't have to check anything, just only the score, and that's it. So yes, so overall again tomorrow, huge future shorts. So huge future shorts, huge call shorts. So better to go with call shorts, and if there is some signal of put buying, so then only go for put buying. Otherwise call shorts would be good to go, and it would be a sell on rise market. And if 17,000 is acting as resistance, then the next level is at 16,821, and I can surely tell that it won't take much time to go till 16,821. Okay, and because if you go in the past and check, whenever 17,000 cross, so whenever 17,000 cross, it did not take much time. Here if you can see here, so it came here, and then the second day it touched 16,821. okay, and then it reversed from here. So it doesn't take much time, even if you go previous to this, wherever this happened. So yes, I can say that it won't take much time, because also they are having put buying positions. So please be careful. Okay, just check at 17,000 what new positions are being made, and that would give you the direction tomorrow. And also for Bank Nifty, please do check these levels, 38,300, okay, for support. And yes, so the FIs are heavily selling, and in the cash FNO segment, you can see that they're selling for these 2 days. So yes, and also don't consider, as I have also told you previously, that these quantities so it's not calculated like that. So the positions which are closed also, they are also calculated, so that's why these green signals are not green actually. So don't get confused. Know how to, I have discussed how they are calculated, so know that, and then you can see. And also this in stocks also selling is being done in futures. So yes, overall it's a bearish market, and as you can see here, I mean XGX Nifty is coming above 17,000, so there might be a little bounce back because the put short positions are still not closed. And if you look at the Propdex positions of put shorts, so then also you'll notice that much of the positions, they have still not been closed. Okay, so either two things can happen tomorrow, that is either 17,000 it bounces back, closes these positions, goes down ultimately for the put buying positions, to save the put buying positions, FIIs, or either otherwise first goes down 16,821, closes their put buying positions, then reverses to save their put short positions, and also adds up put shorts while going up, reverses from this. So yes, so just stay cautious and just track the new positions that are getting formed tomorrow, and that will do. And also yes, I have discussed everything I think, and yes, you can see that advance to decline ratio is not favorable. And yes, so I think I have discussed everything. So if you have any queries, you can ask. Hi bro, super analysis as usual. Yeah, thanks. Today I am carrying positional too as per my strategies on downside, and your analysis giving me more conviction. Yeah, thanks a lot. If you draw Fibonacci daily from upside swing, they retrace till 50% exactly for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and taking it downside, they are smartly trapping bulls positions. Yes, yes, that's absolutely fine. So even I was thinking to take my call shots as positional. Even I told that in the members also. You can see all the screen, all these are posted on Twitter. So but I was expecting move till 17,000. My move came and I am done. So then I get out. Okay, so after that, what happens if further down move comes or not, I don't regret. My expectation it has been fulfilled and I'm done. Okay, so this is stock market, anything can happen. So that's why I closed. But yes, overall data is bearish, and you saw that huge call shorts are there. So whoever carry forwarded their call short positions, took them as positional, they will be in a favorable position. But even if suddenly at the market opening it jumps or it bounces back, so don't get confused, don't get don't panic, just stay there. It's call shorts, you have time, next day is expiry. So with put buying positions, what happens is, once you get a huge loss in there, you just start panicking that no, the price will never reach there. Suppose you bought at 100 and now price is at 40, you won't be able to see that price will go to again 100 and up. Okay, but yes, it happens sometimes, but you'll surely give up hope and just close your put buying position. But with put shorts, with short positions, what happens is, writing positions, what happens is that you have time, next day is the expiry. FIIs also have taken short positions there, so market will ultimately go down and I will be profitable. So that's the advantage of call shorts. And also the transactions charges and all those things are also very less for the writing positions. For buying positions, it's huge. Like I since you know that I'm an option buyer, like even yesterday I had to pay 6,000 rupees as transaction charges only. Okay, not the brokerage charges, only transaction charges. So but if they were short writing positions, it would have been very, very less. So that's the thing. Like the thing is that overall it's beneficial, but yes, you need to have certain capital for it. But you can take the advantage of buying and then taking the advantage of that margin. So as you have seen that even all the positions that I have taken today are all in profit, but you'll see that only I have taken some call buying positions. So don't think that those are positional or those are for trading. Those are for getting the margin benefit, because I'm just using 3 lakhs capital and shorting like for I mean 9 lots. Okay, so 9 to 10 lots. So I have to take the margin benefit. And also you'll notice that all my analysis are one directional. I never tell you that do this strategy, short both the sides, do iron condor and butterfly strategy. So all these strategies are I wouldn't say don't work, but you have to do a lot of adjustments if it goes against one direction. Okay, so but always you have seen that I just go with one direction. Whenever I get the signal, just go for it. You'll obviously win. So whenever these indicators, both the indicators are giving the signal in the same direction, just go for it. Nothing to worry about. Move will have to come, and it's like from the past I've shown you, move comes. Yeah, so that's the thing. So if you're carrying call shorts positions, yes, Suresh, even I told in the group, you were there. So Suresh Kumar is a member of mine. So yes, he knows everything. So how everything works here. So yes, I even at the end I told that I'm closing my positions because my expectation was fulfilled. But yes, even if your call short, just stay there. Even if Nifty moves up, stay there. Okay, just have confidence that yes, the big players are here and they won't close their positions. At least the call short positions in loss, whereas the expiry is just one day after that. Okay, keep rocking. It would be great for us if you could organize a live trading session over Zoom. Live trading session, I can. Are you talking about the live indicator? Showing the live indicator during the live market? Then I can do it tomorrow or maybe on Friday. So yeah, I can. We can fix a date and we can do it. Impact of Russia. You see all these things, war and news. Yes, they have impact when it comes first. Okay. So when you hear it for the first time and suddenly some news comes which are unexpected, it has some effect. But once everyone, like every day the same news comes and everyone gets worried, yeah, ye to chalta hi rahega. So like your mother scolds you every day. So after a certain time you get used to it. Okay, if your mother scolds you, know that you have to hear from one ear and take it out from the other ear. So we get used to it. So that's the thing. So yes, if you suddenly hear that some nuclear missiles have been launched and I don't think that will happen. That in today's world it would be a totally unexpected thing. But if such thing happens, then yes, of course, every market will suddenly crash. You can't do anything there. So no one can save it there. So that's a totally different scenario. But now whatever is happening, it's a daily news. So कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता किसी को. So just follow the big players and that's it. They have done call shorts. You also do call shorts, okay? And they have done put buying. So if they are not closing their put buying, you also do put buying. So there is no harm in that. They may hold these levels due to Diwali sentiment, but can't hold it for more. Even if DIs want to make it bullside, then they have to buy equities at cheap price. And why they buy here? Yeah, so Diwali would be coming. So before Diwali, some positive sentiment would be coming. So let's see. But for this expiry, the put short positions are there. So let's see what happens to tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. So track the new positions that are getting formed. That will tell you the exact direction. So my expectation is even for bull rally, they should bring this market to good levels. If not, for recession talks, and then only bull rallies can. Bull rallies, I am not expecting. Like bull rallies means not like Diwali rally to 200 to 300 points up move and or maybe 400 to 500 points up move. Okay, so that's not a bull rally. So that is a temporary up move and to make everyone happy. So that might be done before the Diwali session. So let's see. Let's not speculate. For now, data is bearish. Let's see what happens. I mean, after Thursday, what happens? Till Thursday, I think bearish move or upside will be limited, and after that, I think Diwali rally can come, but again, we'll check the data and then confirm. Okay, because futures also huge short positions are getting built up. Okay, so yeah, let's not speculate now. Okay, so as I always say that we just have to, what we have to do today, we have to, because we are intraday traders, we have to just analyze for tomorrow. Okay, that's all we have to do, because tomorrow we have to be profitable. That's it. After tomorrow, again we'll think of the next day. But if you think about 1 week, 1 month, it's I mean, not, I mean, in this is stock market, anything changes anytime. So, not, I've seen that over the time, it's not helpful. So, always I just concentrate on the next day. Okay. Yeah, so that's it for today. I think please do like the video. So, for such an analysis, and yes, like 19k or 20k rallies, as per retailers' view, it's something they created such solutions by buying equities and shorting in futures. Live commentary is only on the newspaper for my analysis. Yeah, so I mean, people would shout 19k, 20k, anything. Like, I mean, there are Twitter profiles, like even I don't follow, they just come in the feed. They have huge, I don't know how they got those huge followers. They just post whatever they think, मुझे लगता है पोस्ट कर दिया बस. ओके, 19 के आने वाला है, 20 के आने वाला है. अरे ऐसा नहीं होता है. मतलब जस्ट चेक द डेटा. पूरा डेटा बियरिश है एंड एवरीवन इज शाउटिंग फॉर 19k. तो doesn't happen like that. Okay, it takes time. I think since the FIs have hugely invested after the corona time, so they will slowly take the market down. So now it's in a bearish phase, and yes, let the market go down and settle first, and then when FI starts investing, we will also do. Okay, but for now it's in a bearish phase, and it's not for the investors. So this year I may not think that whatever. So this is October, November and December, so whatever time is left, so it's not going to be for the investors, so it's going to be for the traders. So let's take the advantage of it. Yeah, thanks. So I always try my best to tell you like how the FIs are thinking and how the market is going to behave according to the data. So even if on Sunday data was bearish, I told that though option chain पूरा खाली था, FIs का option chain almost खाली था, तो they would miss the down move if market goes down. So they will take it up and then take the short positions. So you have to think like them, that you have to think like those positions are yours. Now what will you do? Okay, think like this, you will be in the right track. Okay. To the viewers, YouTube is full of garbage. You can't find gem like this person. Thanks a lot. Believe me, you are safe in the hands. Yeah, thanks a lot, Suresh Kumar. So yes, I always try my best to do the whole analysis, and I try to keep my. You see, if you notice the screenshots of today, the text messages. So I'm not only only giving one call in the morning and just बाकी दिन भाड़ में जाओ, तुम लोग को जो करना है करो. I'm like totally giving at each and every moment. Even if the up move today came, I told not to participate there, and then after it the reversal came. Okay, why the up move I told. So every minute everything is getting deciphered here. Okay, and so that you can safely know what's happening exactly, you can take the trade. And you see all these things, so many analysis I gave, none of them went wrong. Okay, so if I just wanted to give only one update, I could have just said whenever the question paper is easy, give the update and I'm done. Okay, but giving the update as always like this, I mean with 100% accuracy, it's very tough. I can tell you that, not only because I am doing it, because after the market I feel that my battery my energy has drained a lot, because during the market I have to use so much of brain power that after that I have to take some time off. Sometimes I have to take a nap also to recharge myself. So it's not that easy. It's very very tough to keep that 100% accuracy or near to 100% accuracy while you are just going with every position. So, or every time you're just deciphering what's happening in the market, what's going to happen. So yes, it's tough, but yes, I'm trying my best. I don't know how long I'll be able to do it, but always I'll do my best. Even when I was on holidays also, then also I gave priority to my members, and even I also traded even though I was traveling. So I also traded, and I also gave the live commentary. According to how much I could, I gave those live commentary even during the holidays. So I prioritize my members. It's not like that I go on holidays and I forget about them. So yes, that's it for today, I think. So if you have any queries, so I think one of them had some query yesterday. That is, how do I do these levels? So it's basically you just go to 1-day chart and just see for a very long time where the resistance and the supports were there, and just draw those lines. Okay, so that's it, and it's very easy, nothing magic or no such things. Okay, so yes, that's it for today. Yeah, also I go to sleep at around 3 to 4 a.m. So I have some other research works and also other startup work. So yes, life is hard, but since I am very young, I have energy to do those things. So this is the time for me. I have to work hard. So I can't give excuses after when the time is gone. So let's fully utilize the time and let's see what happens, what the future brings. So I'll always do my best. So thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.